What's up? Coach Haas here, nationally certified weight loss coach, showing people how to get stronger, healthier, and lose weight and build some muscle in the meantime. But anyway, I want to come and I want to talk to you about protein shakes. Several questions like from online and in person. Hey, listen, how do I make a protein shake? I'm super busy. I'm at Walmart, all these options. I have no idea which one to go. Feeling overwhelmed. And we all know when you feel overwhelmed, you don't do anything. You just ask more questions. So I'm going to show you how to quickly make a protein shake. You need a protein shake for these few reasons. As you are building muscle, your muscle needs to be preserved and let it repair itself, and that's what protein does. Also, protein allows your body has to actually work to break down protein, and it will make you feel less hungry, so you won't overeat as much in theory, okay? Allegedly. But I was at Walmart yesterday, and here's an acceptable protein, I would say. So this is what you have to do. Body Force protein. It's 30 grams per scoop. Buy this. You're going to grab a shaker. You're going to scoop one out. So this is a scoop. One scoop here. Put this in your shaker. Just like such. I'm going almond milk, but you can add water. So it's totally fine to add water. But for today, I like almond milk. Gives a little, I think it tastes better. 1 cup of almond milk. Measure it out. Drop it in there. That's all. You can shake it, stir it up. And if you're still looking for something else with some protein after you work out, you can have a piece of fruit. 1 serving of fruit. It's an orange. Totally fine. But also, if you like bananas, you can have a banana. If you like apples, you can eat apples. So I don't want to get so much in like exactly specifically. I want to give you the general concept. A protein shake, 30 grams or less, 25 to 30 in the protein. That's that. Get in the shaker, water or almond milk. If you don't like almond milk, do something else. That's okay. The goal is to get the protein. If you want fruit, you can have some fruit with a protein shake, especially after you work out. That is the quick and simple tutorial on how to make a protein shake. So let me ask you this. What are your questions about protein shakes? Put them below in the comments. I'll help you out. And if you need any more help, just DM me and we can talk about that. Have a good one. Happy Monday.